can't believe it. Yeah. Oh, I wish that I had a face instead of a stupid megaphone.
What the heck is this?
It looks like some sort of black man. I wonder what happens when we hit it. Help me! Get out of here. Yeah. That is sorry. Who are you? Oh, hey there, Bumblebee. Hey, the name's not Bumblebee. It's Chevy. Oh, sorry. I mean Chevy. Sorry about that. People always call me Bumblebee, because that's what Bumblebee transforms into. Oh yeah, totally forgot. Yeah, think about this. We are all Pixar, and we must stand together, even with that guy. Help. Hey guys, it's me, Bumblebee. I haven't seen you for quite a while. Well, no more ideas. Thanks for watching.